Hey guys, welcome to QPR. Oh my god, that's loud. Hold on, turn that down. Alright. So now you can hear my voice. Whoa, look at this place. There's like weird things on there. I don't know what those mean. Also, there's like a thing there. Huge cat. Oh, I can build that. There's a floating deer. I can build all that. It's basically Minecraft, Vivecraft, VR. So if you have any suggestions, hey, welcome to QPR. Bit hard to understand. I don't care. I'm not a wimp and I don't need a tutorial. This just shows you some stuff. I don't need a tutorial. Manage mods. Oh yeah, I already got some stuff. My great world. Peanuts. We're gonna do great things here. You know, that Minecraft playthrough, Vivecraft playthrough, except better. Like, actually, I saw some videos on this. They don't really tell me how to do anything, but you can take 8K screenshots while holding both teleport buttons for 2 seconds. Nice, okay, so I can't see my hands anymore. It's getting darker. It's really high quality, too. So that's cool. There's the blocks. Take 8K screenshots while holding both teleport buttons. 2 seconds. But yeah, it's really pretty, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. That was gonna take a bit. It's loading an entire world in VR. As soon as I said that, I got in. The game window should be in focus. Oh, I'm opening. I have. Oh. The game window. There we go. So how do I walk? Oh! Okay. I don't want teleport movement. Okay, there we go. Can I run? Oh, I can. There's a desert? Oh, right, I can't point. I can give a thumbs up. So here's a bucket. Speed. Deer. Hello. Hi. I don't have collision with you. Alright, good boy. Wait. There's a big stick log thing. Can I bunny? Ah! I grabbed it! Oh, look at it! Oh, look at you. Yeah. Alright, you're coming with me. We're going on an adventure. That's... Can I teleport? Can I turn off teleport movement? Because this is very... Okay, how do I open my game menu? That's a bow. Oh, I turned it off. Okay, cool. Look at it. Look at him. He like does a little wiggle with his hands. All right, get in the bucket. You're coming with me. Oh my god. What? Okay. He's standing. I could not throw him. Okay, so there's no in-game turning. Oh, is that crouching? I think that's crouching. No. There's like so much stuff. Whoa. This game looks cool. Oh! Mmm, yummy. Alright, get in the bucket. Whoa. What's in there? What's that weird ring thing? Okay, that's my bow. How do I open... No, I don't want to do that. So how do I open my inventory? I did it before. Oh, that's how I crouch? Okay, cool. How do I open my menu thing? Oh! What is this? I got like a stick. I'm figuring things out! I can smack stuff with a stick. What am I doing with my stick? What do I do with the stick? Do I... Oh my, that's weird. Do I whack things? Whack! 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 Hello? You're like a log. That's not what I wanted. Hi! You're like a log. Get in the bucket. Okay, stick. Die, tree, die! Give me my logs. There's like a... Ah, that's bright. It's actually bright. Oh my god, I could play golf. Stop flying! I just want logs. Keep smacking. Okay. Turn that off. Stop. Why is teleport a thing? Why is teleporting a thing? A wise man once told me that I could just scoop stuff up with my bucket. I can! I'll figure the stuff out eventually. I promise I'll get smarter. Ah! So how do I open my menu? Oh, that's how. Okay, so I got dark wood, respawn torch, torches. Drag it into my loadout. Crafting recipes. Torch. 1 coal, okay. Pickaxe. I need stone. I don't know how I get stone. Wait, what's this? An axe? Stone axe. Can make lava. Can make water. What is that? I don't even know. View distance. Infinite viewations. Ah, that's bright. Ultra. Ultra mega. Not noticing a difference. Gameplay. Disabled. Big hands. Small hands. Big hands. Okay. Astronaut deer? Yes. I don't know what astronaut deer is. Long days. Long nights. How do I turn off teleportation? How do I turn off I don't want teleportation. I don't want stupid teleportation. No one likes teleportation. What did I just click? Best. Low. Crazy. Ah, my god! Yeah, I don't like bloom. I like bloom. Yeah, I just don't like that. So, left menu button, movement, menu buttons, movement, left touchpad west. Right touchpad west, block place mode. Okay, cool. Trigger. Okay. Well, alright. So I can get stuff here. So, I got like an inventory. I got a stick equipped. It's turning night, so I'm probably gonna die. There's probably demons. What is that? What is that? What is this? Recipe? Learn it. Wait, no, where are you going? No, my only light. Whoa, there's a cave down there and I don't like it. I'm running this way. I don't know what recipe I got, but I got a recipe. Plays like music. Pickaxe! I learned how to make a Whoa. I learned how to make a pickaxe. Alright, don't need my stick. No, why is teleporting a thing? Turn it off. Wait, I gotta find that little place again. How do I get my... What is this? Oh, that's how I play stuff? I got like a torch. Look at how quality-ifying that is. Why did it get so bright? It was getting dark and then now it's just bright. Or light. Can I, like, burn stuff with this? Can I, like... I don't think I can. I could place them! Oh my god! I didn't know that. I'm getting my stick. I wonder if I can mine stone with a stick. Sure, that's, like, unrealistic and stuff, but... Hey. Alright. Here we go. Into the mines. Everyone, be prepared for spookiness. But first, I want to see if I could really mine stone with a stick. That's hilarious. I can mine stone with a stick! Ooh. Ah, die, stone, die! Feel the wrath of my stick! Is there like an ending to this game, or is this just infinite? I need coal to make a torch. That's stuff. Okay, I don't know what that was about. But I'm gonna make a pickaxe, because this is good. Okay, I can't mine coal. I don't know why I can't mine dirt with a stick, but I'm not gonna question that. I should build my house in this cave. This cave is very cozy and evil. Give me the stone. This is way faster. Okay, I don't know what's down there, but it's probably not good. Yeah, I can't see the bottom, so I'm not sure if that's going to be too friendly to me. Oh, there we go. Now I can. This is bright and cozy. All right, let's make something. I could build stone. I could like place it in places magically. All right, so let's go into our inventory. Okay, turn off teleportation. There we go. Recipes. Show me the recipe for a pickaxe. Pickaxe. Undiscovered. Copper? No! Oh, stone pickaxe. I discovered it. That's a shovel. So 3 stone, 3 logs. Okay. So how do I make stuff? Hold on. I should have gotten a tutorial or something. But this is fine. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with these, but maybe from what I saw. Oh, oh my god, it feels like you're actually making it. This is so cool. This is next level stuff, man. Who made this? I forgot. But some guy was really good at making stuff. Hey, I need that. Alright, what do I do now? It's glowing. Do I mine stuff? Do I like... Oh, I put it in my bucket. Now I have a pickaxe, I'm assuming. It's in my tools! That's a bow. That's that. No, stop. How do I get my pickaxe? Oh, it's right there. Oh, I could just do that. Alright. Oh my god, it's so cool! I keep forgetting the move button, which is this. I can mine the coal now! It's cracking! Looks like poo. What the heck? Oh! Daytime! Okay, well, I can't mine dirt. So I gotta make a shovel. But I can't make a shovel. So I'm gonna have to build my way out. But I want to go deeper down, because... Oh, don't mind that. Because there could be some cool stuff. I'm gonna live in this cave. This is where I live. I live in a hole. Does it matter how much of force I hit it with? No, it doesn't. Okay. So is copper better than stone? Probably is. That's just stupid. I hear something in there. There's like something in there. Yeah, there's definitely something in that cave. Something is in there. Something's in there. I know it is. There's something glowing down there. Ah! Okay. Better not hurt me or I'll tell my mommy on you. Or I'll tell on you. How deep does it go? You're gonna do something scary. What is this blood on my screen? It's on my head. There's nothing evil down here. Right? I can, like, see down there. I'm not going down here. Let me out! Ah! There's something down there, and I don't want to see it. I'm sure there's something down. Let me out. There's, like, creepers or something. I don't know. Something evil. Something evil's down there, and I know it is. I know it's evil because it's down in the darkness, and darkness is associated with evil, I think. Can I just climb up this? No. Okay. You're realistic, but you're not that realistic. Let me out of this cave. I thought I wanted to live here. I thought I wanted to be here, but it turns out, no, it's evil. Oh, I could just hit them to see which ones I could go up. I could, like, tap around like a blind boy. Ah, what am I hitting? Oh. Okay, get a torch. So I'm gonna make a pickaxe. Or not a pickaxe, an axe! I'm almost out of the cave of demon evilness. Give me my torch back. Give it back. I can't get it back. It's just there forever. Whatever. It's okay. I'm almost out. I'm almost out. I'm almost free from the land of the evil. Why can't I mine dirt with a stone? From what I remember, I could mine dirt with anything. Is this doing anything? It does things. Oh, it feels so good to see the light of day again. Hey, I'm gonna hit you with a stick. They don't even run away or anything. There's another cave right there. There's like a bigger cave. There's a bunny. Okay, goal. Yeah, you wanna fight me? Okay, it doesn't work. Why did I try murdering that rabbit? I don't know. Ah, that's so bright. It's almost realistically bright, but not quite. Sorry, so that's my cave. I know how to get in and out. Can I just harvest it like that? No, alright, just don't look at the sun. It burns. There's birds in this tree. I need to make an axe. But I need wood, and I need a stick. What is this? Oh, it's my respawn torch. And the music instantly changed. Come here. Once I get an axe, this is gonna be so much easier to do. Hey! Alright, how do I make an axe? I have the recipe and stuff. Can I have that? Give me back my respawn torch, or purple. I don't know, I think it's respawn. I could live in this hole. As a hole demon. Alright, let's see what we got here. So I definitely can make an axe. Shovel. I discovered that. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh wait, axe is right there. So 4 pieces of wood and 2 pieces of stone. Okay, well how much do I have? 4 pieces of wood. I need a couple more. Or 1 more to be exact. So just... You're not what I need. You're what I need. Not you. If I hit it 4 times, I get stuff. Ah, it attacked me! Alright, time to make the axe. Two stone. Definitely inspired off Minecraft. I mean, it's pretty obvious. So, give me Where'd you come from? That's not what I wanted. Some stone. Get some stone in that's a shovel. That's an axe. Put it in the bucket. Now I got an axe. Look at me. Look at me with my tools. Now I can chop down trees. Ah, it's stuck. Ah, it's stuck again. Yes! Fall! Fall! Whoa. Hello, may I help you? Oh, there you go. Alright, so what do I do with these? Oh. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that's so cool. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, whoops. That's so cool. What am I ever gonna use this for, though? Maybe like a campfire, cook some rabbit. Man. Okay, these are probably big enough to fit in the bucket. Yeah. Come on, get in the bucket. Now I know you want to. Get in the bucket. Well, that's what one log gives me. I don't know what that did for me or what usefulness it will serve. But wood lights. Oh, it's just a good way of farming wood. I want this one. I'm so good at chopping trees. Haha. Uh-oh. Ah, it's green! Ah! Okay, I'm gonna finish you off. You're gonna die. No, not the tree! So these are basically just wood, but easier. Every piece I pick up is a wood block. This is so cool, look at that. It actually gives me what I want. Look at that. Okay, well I can't take too big of pieces. Two? Oh, really big pieces give me two. Fight me, fight me, fight, 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 fight. Alright, let's see how much I got. 26! I am so big. I am the biggest man. Come here. Come here. What's in the desert? Nothing. Alright, well I know how to make a shovel, because it... 3, 4, 4, 1. This is how you make a shovel, kids. Watch and learn. Wonder if we can make a chair, because that's an achievement. I should really get started on building a house, but... no. Aha! I built it! The shovel! I have all the tools. Just get rid of everything here. All the dirt shall be mine to build and shape my land. I shall shape my land, but where shall I build it? I'm gonna dig it like a normal person. Yeah, that's really slow. I'm not gonna do that. I'll just dig like this. This is how normal people dig. This is how everyone digs. This is what normal people do. This is what happens. Okay, I'm gonna stop digging like a weird creature. So I probably go deep into the caves. Get some iron, if that's a thing in the game. Maybe some copper, because that's definitely a thing in the game if there's copper tools. So how do I get rid of you? Here, let me get under you. Ah, it's floating! I thought it was realistic. I guess I was wrong. So I got a shovel. Let's fix this little place. Nah. I shall live in this flower field with all the flowers In the field. How do I make planks? Or at least it's not weird logs. I'm gonna make like a little shed. This is gonna be a castle one day, guys. Trust me. Build an entire castle. This is gonna be one long series. Ah, I ran out of... We're not gonna mix and match. One for... No, I don't want that. No, I need my axe. No, I don't think you understand. I need my axe. There's my axe. So I need light wood. Or not light wood. I need this wood. Let me get these pieces. I didn't get them before. Oh, that's a pickaxe. That's an axe. So as small as I can get before it flings itself into the atmosphere. Because I don't want full pieces, I want more. So if I cut it into little pieces, they all count as 2. So smallest pieces will just give me 2. So we want to go real small. We want to go microscopic. It's gonna take a while. I don't know why the game has to be in focus, but I guess it just likes attention. This game is so cool already. I don't regret buying this. Buy this for yourself if you got VR. Buy it. It's good. It feels fresh. It's like Vivecraft, but good. But just good. You know, like actually good. Can't wait for the next update. They update like every 2 months, I saw. I don't know. Updated 2 months ago and 2 months before that and like 3 months before that. They got a little schedule. Or they're just cool. And do good things on accident. Oh, I didn't know all this was here. Hello. Did I just hear a bee go brrr, buzz, buzz, buzz. Buzz, buzz, I'm blue. I mean, I'm green. Give me the light wood, too. Alright, how do I... Okay. 48? Oh, that's more than enough for a floor. Maybe a couple of walls. It's not going to be the biggest house, and it's not going to be the bestest house. But it's gonna be... Ooh, that's a bucket. It's gonna be good. Please work. Thank you. It's gonna be able to fit a man inside. It's gonna be like a little shed, and then I'll build an actual house. I'll take this one down and build a big house. So that's a little shed I'm gonna live in. Gonna build myself a nice little place with my magical powers of magic. I wonder if there's glass in this game and like a furnace or something. I gotta get the recipes. So I gotta actually explorationize the place, land. Ah, it's bright. Block out the bright. Alright. That was good. No! Oh, my logs! There's one! There! There's trees! Okay, give me the axe. Alright, if you're gonna launch that way. Yeah, if you're gonna launch that way. Oh my god, my axe got stuck inside of the tree. Yeah, if you're gonna launch at least towards the house. Please, fall. Fall. Not that way, ever. Let's just cut to the cuts. Oh, you have to actually, like, do that. That's why I wasn't jumping when I first did it. I gotta move fast and broad. Alright, go down here, get some more stuff. This game is really cool. I like it. Okay. There is another log, but alright. Yes! Give me the power of the logs. For I am the log man. Woo! That's my chair. Where's my fan? There's my fan. Cut it from the top. Not like that. That's gonna fly. Never mind. That's just gonna move. So you can send a deer into space, apparently. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that. I can't throw it or anything. Is there like a cannon that can shoot stuff? There probably is. Right? Yeah, there probably is. Alright. Collectify the logs of fire. How many logs do I have? 13? That is not enough. Oh, this was all light. Maybe the top can be light and the other house. You know what? Because this is a light place. A place full of light. So, go to the other one. Thank you. Are there doors in this game? Oh, yeah, sure, that'd work. But I kinda need a roof. You know? Alright. Move that to the stone. Alright. Now it's in my epic. Okay, no. How does this work? Thank you. It's getting dark. I need to build a roof over my head before the demons attack. They should add mobs to this game. I'm not sure if there are. There's no real threat in this game. It's pretty fun, though. You could pretend there's a threat. So, this is gonna be my doorway. I'm gonna have to... Cutty. Oh, wow! That's cool. It gives me even more. I could just get infinite. Unless... No? Okay, we want to go here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. You know, we're gonna have a mismatch house. Who cares? Oh, the bigger or more. 3, 2, 2. You don't want to take the entire thing. Okay. Do you want to take the entire thing now? No. Did I say 4? I get 4 from that. I think a block is 3. So that's why I got 3. Or maybe it was just broken. Yeah, they should add actual threats, like mobs, even though that would make the game scary, because it's realistic looking, and a realistic looking creeper would not be very fun. Yeah, realistic looking creeper would not be a very fun sight. So that's why I could barely build anything here. Just because it barely can handle anything. Oh, okay. So what am I gonna build as like a chair and stuff? We want the view of side. But not the back here. No one cares about this view in the back. Oh, you can extend it like that too. Cool. What did I just build under that house? What did I build out here? Nothing. I love how it chops stuff like that. Chop. Chop, 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 chop. Give it like a broken down kind of feel. Bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Nope. Fast. is this like supposed to be a jump? Ow, how do I get rid of it? Oh, I got rid of it. Oh my god, that's so bright! Ah! Oh my god, turn down the bloom. Turn it down, turn it down. Oh my god. Turn down the bloom. Turn it off. Maybe the house is a bit too small and it's a bit too bright. Ah. Okay. Alright, this is nice. Wow. It's the moon and it actually moves down. I don't like this stupid dirt. This dirt, stinky, bad time food. Yeah. I don't like this dirt. I'm gonna go to the desert. If I die, I respawn there. Do I lose stuff? Probably not. This game has potential to be yes. So I go find recipes. I found a recipe. That's a torch. Recipe. Wow, I found another shovel, a copper shovel. Put that in your back. Put it into your head to learn the ways of the shovel. I'm gonna go explore, find some stuff, and get some nice visuals. Cactus. The cactusness serve any purpose? No. It's like a lizard. You're coming with me. We're friends. We're like friends. You and me, Mr. Lizard. Can I put you on a cactus and kill you? Touch. Oh, you could just make them disappear. If I walk into one. Nope. What are you? You're a big lizard. Can I grab you? No, I cannot hit you either. Yeah, I wish they added actual threats to the game. Maybe that could be the next one now. There's a survival mode. So, goodbye forest. Hello desert. That cactus disappeared for a second. So, this is the desert. I'm just trying to find recipes, and I'm not seeing any. There's lots of sand. They might be hidden in the sand. Like a sand goblin. I'm gonna bring home some sand. Remind me of the desert. I should build a replica of my house here. No, that'd take forever, and I don't think they would even have the materials, but there could be stuff on the workshop. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's gonna take forever to build it, but people built castles, so maybe I could build my house. People built entire castles. Mine is similar, maybe, kinda. Hey, I found a different lizard. What are you? They just have randomized colors, like, you look disgusting. He looks very surprised. Hi. He's just looking at me. Alright, we're gonna go on an adventure. Oh, you don't like it when I move. Look into my eyes. I'll put you down. If I want to die, I'll just build into the sky to get home. Because I think that was a respawn torch. Those are things, right? But I hope I don't lose everything. I could easily get this all again. This desert is empty. Can you tell me where to go? No sign of forests anywhere. Whoa. This looks so cool. And even really good performance. And it looks good with a lot of performance. I must leave a trail. This trail will help me find my way home. Oh, they disappear. Well, that trail is not gonna last. Oh. Do you actually leave a mark in the sand? No. Do you leave a mark in the sand? Do you leave a mark in the sand? I just got a stick following me. We're traveling. I've been traveling for 70 years, yet not a single sign of other life other than lizards, cactus eyes, and other lizards, and cactus eyes, and bush eyes. But finally, after years of searching, I finally found the end. I sprinted towards it, towards life. I'm almost there. God, this is very painful to run. I haven't had water in 70 years. Water! There's a water! There's a water lizard. I heard they got lots of water. Water, water, water. Water, water. Finally. But something seemed off about this land. Something different. It seemed too bright, too full of life. And most of all, odd. But I saw 2 of over 30 things I was looking for. Recipes. The ancient recipe of the chest is mine! And this one. The ancient axe. I shall absorb its knowledge into my head. Water from this tree. I can keep going. I've got my sustenance. I can keep going. The desert. Another ancient recipe. Rah! I charged towards the recipe. Let's see what it is this time. Bricks. Ancient bricks. They're very... And then I fell into a hole with sand. Oh well, time to dig an underground pool. I must find my way out. Find my way out of this sand. More sand. I must dig my way out instead of walking back over there. It seems like I'd never reach the top. I don't know why I can't just climb onto that, but wow. I found my way out. And then there was a weird flower. Finally, I was out. The days are long, but the nights are not as long. The nights are almost as long. Well, almost. So we pop that saturation up, and wow, look at this mystical land we got before us. How do I get out of this place? It's not, I can't walk through there. There's a border now. As soon as I walked back in, there was a border that appeared. Only a recipe that I see can help me. I can't even remember the way back, so I'm lost now, basically. Whatever, we could rebuild, and until I die, I will always be here. I don't know what the point of those are, but they may have a point later in life. No recipe. Finally. I may see. I may be coming out now. No, it's just more emptiness. Into the desert. It is just emptiness. There's nothing out there. But I must keep going. For the ancient recipes of tools. I guess. I'm searching for the ancient furnace. I don't know if that's a thing, actually. It might be, but I'm gonna search for it. As the legends tell, the legends would never lie. Unless they have, then I shall kill the legends. Wow. Right. Are these like the only biomes, just the desert and land thing? I wish I got a cooler looking world. This world looks lame. A more magical one would be way better for me. Give me a magical world, not a weird, ugly one. Give me a magical one. The magicalest world of magic will definitely make me... Maybe I can cross the border. There's some sand in there. No. I can't break out. Can it be? Another recipe? For me? The border is finally broken. Me and this bunny will both find the ancient recipe for the ancient furnace. Which is this one, actually. Maybe. Well, little bunny, it seems we've finally done it. We found the recipe. Ah, the hammer! At least the border has been broken. I am free. What is that deer doing with its head? I don't want to know. How do I get out? How do I get out of this crazy world? That's green! What is green? Recipe. Maybe the recipes are leading me somewhere. What do they mean? Chair! A chair. Maybe I keep going this way, and I'll find... Ah! Help, I almost fell down in a hole. I'm in a hole. Help. Why did this happen to me? Let me out. Let me out of this crazy place. I don't want to be here anymore. Let me out of this hole. The desert was much better. You didn't get stuck in holes there. You got stuck in madness. Madness. I say as an echo goes through the cave. I found my way out. Keep going. The light will lead you. Which is me, not you. You guys suck. I'm awesome. And good. Cool. Chop the tree twice. That's what the sun god says. Up there. It's somewhere around here. Recipes! Come on. 2 of them this time. Let's see what we get. The furnace of ancient! Yes! Finally, I could return home. My long journey has finally ended. But what has this recipe? Stairs. Finally, the ancient furnace is mine. This was a long journey, friends. Oh, hey, another recipe. Hold on, let me get that real quick before I end the video. I mean, their journey. I'm still gonna play this game more, don't worry. But hey. Nothing is left for me. It's ended. My journey. It's finally gone. It's done. I have found the ancient furnace, but I shall continue living to build my castle. My castle shall be built. It's time to end this video. We